guys, so today is going to be another luxury unboxing, and it's not Louis, it's Gucci. So I ordered this stuff online and it came pretty quickly. It came with this cute, large, extremely large tote bag, and I believe it's based on the constellation or the zodiacs, because I do see a whole bunch of signs up there. So yeah, that was cute. And then here's the box. So we're just going to go ahead and unwrap that. And I know you guys can tell by the thumbnail, I did get a pair of sneakers. So of course you're going to get your authentication cards and all of that stuff that comes inside of the box to let you know it's real and care instructions. They also included a pair of laces, an extra pair, so that was pretty cool. Each sneaker comes with its own dust bag, which I do like. I actually prefer it over having one dust bag for both sneakers. So these sneakers are called the Women's GG Gucci Tennis 1977 sneaker, and they retail for $720 US. On the website it says the colorway is beige ebony original GG canvas. I do want to point out that these sneakers are not true to size. They are actually a half a size smaller than my actual shoe size. I wear a size 8 and I had to get an 8.5, which is a 38.5. So if you're looking into buying these, go up half a size. Just based on trying them on and walking around the house in them, they do feel pretty comfortable and it's a good fit for me. They don't feel too snug, they feel actually comfortable. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!